everyone, I am Sushma Santapuri, an associate professor in the Department of Applied Mechanics at IIT Delhi. By training, I am a theoretical and computational mechanics researcher working in the field of solid mechanics and smart materials. Despite being passionate about theory and fundamental research, I was always drawn to the question that still drives much of my research today: how can I translate this fundamental knowledge to meaningful engineering solutions? Since joining IIT Delhi 9 years ago, I have established the Mechanics of Multifunctional Materials and Intelligent Devices Lab, where we work at the intersection of mechanics, materials, multiphysics modeling, and device design. Let's first understand what smart materials and intelligent devices are. Smart materials are materials that can sense changes in their environment, such as temperature, electric field, or magnetic field, and respond by changing their shape, their stiffness, or any other property. When combined with electronics or control systems, they form intelligent devices that can react and adapt to the environment around them. These technologies are used in advanced applications such as robotic arm with embedded sensing abilities, wearable sensors that monitor body movement, devices that harvest energy from vibrations, and materials that reduce noise or adjust shape. In our research lab, we work on understanding similar systems through computer models and subsequently develop prototypes for testing and validation. Here are some examples. A soft robotic actuator that mimics a human muscle and is called an artificial muscle actuator. Our actuator is made of a stretchable magnetoactive material and is untethered, by which I mean that it does not require to be plugged to large power sources and is lightweight. The device is capable of lifting up to 5 kilograms weight, and the overall setup is less than 500 grams. Another example is a novel energy harvesting device which harvests energy from vibrations. This device is made of magnetic field responsive material called magnetostrictive material. Through our design, we have improved its output by more than 100% compared to existing similar devices. Another example is sonar technology called a single beam echo sounder. This is made of a piezoelectric material. This device is able to measure underwater depths, marine life, seabed mapping up to a depth of 100 meters. Additionally, we work on several fundamental problems such as understanding structural instabilities, fluid structure interaction problems, and multifunctional metamaterials. A big thanks to all my wonderful students whose hard work and creativity has made this vision possible. Our student alumni have gone on to impactful roles in academia, industry, and research labs. Beyond research, I'm deeply committed to teaching and actively engaged in administrative responsibilities. At IIT Delhi, I have introduced new undergraduate and postgraduate courses on smart materials, nonlinear elasticity, and dynamics of mechanical systems. Engaging with students, whether in classroom or as a research mentor, has been one of the most satisfying aspects of this role. On the administrative front, I have served as the convener of Initiative for Gender Equity and Sensitization, IGES in short, where we work towards improving gender equity and sensitization across the campus. I have found immense satisfaction in the diverse and evolving responsibilities that come with academic life at IIT Delhi. If you are a student, researcher, or industry collaborator interested in mechanics, multifunctional structures, or intelligent device design, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your time.